folks, welcome to another episode of Midwest River Rat. We got the Kid Rat on his kayak on the Red Cedar River. We haven't done this in a couple of years, but we're going down to a sandbar down the river that I used to camp a lot with my blow-up kayak on. Well, we haven't been there in a couple of years, so we're gonna go check it out, see what it looks like. Hopefully it's still campable. But we're gonna be casting for bass and pike down here along the way, and then we'll be catfishing once we get there. What do you got to say, Kid Rat? Got anything to say to the people?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. All right, Kid says like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it.
I'm gonna paddle.
All right, Kid Rat's going to paddle. I'm gonna throw a bucktail. I'll grab you when we get close, okay? We're going to see a creek dumping into the river here. Just come towards me and I'll try and grab you. I got you. Wow, it's a little one, huh? Cool. There's another one. All right, back on the water. Holy crap. Look at that. It's just a little tiny creek, huh? Alright, should we go down there and take a picture and then keep going? It's starting to get late. We better get to the campsite. Feel it. Oh, we're getting close, I can tell, because there's the little cliff. All right, we're coming up. When you see right in front of us a big, huge sand cliff. Here, come here. Come on the side of me. All right, you can kind of see the cliff up there. We'll be camping right on the other side of it, this big S-curve. Got a hole you can catch catfish out of, you can catch bass, walleye. We just gotta stay on this side so that we can hit the sandbar. All right, make sure you hug the shore. We gotta be able to stop before the current whips us around the corner. are. We're gonna camp right on the other side here. Wow, that drops off quick. Holy crap. Look at all this firewood. Hey, you made it. Good job, Kid Rat. Wow. That really changed. All right, we made it. You got a sucker. Get him on shore so we don't lose him. I guess he's going for a ride.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.